How's it going? We're going to do some investigating here in my son's bedroom. He's been getting up lately at the same exact time every night and plays in his room a lot and calls out the name Bubba. Today I was alone with him while I was in the living room playing Call of Duty Black Ops 2 Zombies. But that's besides the point. And I thought it was him throwing some toys around, but I came in here and he said, Bubba, no, Bubba, no. So we're just going to see what we can find out. I'm using the negative photo effect because usually that'll draw on the energy source, and it's usually black center with maybe a purplish or blue ring around the outside. So we're going to see what's up and see what we can figure out. Say hi.
Hi.
Who are we looking for?
Bubba.
Who are we looking for?
Bubba.
Is Bubba in this room with us?
Yeah.
Where is he?
On the bus.
Under your bed?
Yeah.
He's under your bed?
Yeah.
This is his bed right here. He says he's under his bed right now. So once again, we're looking for a black, probably a little black circle with maybe a purple or blue outline. I don't see anything under. What we got over here? Oh, just the humidifier. As you can see, he loves cars, basketball. Here we got, he loves cars, he loves his Lightning McQueen nightlight. Check the closet. I don't really see anything in the closet. Is Bubba still in this room, Jaden?
Yeah.
Where is he? He's at home?
Yeah.
Is this his home? So I don't really see anything. Whoa, what do we have here? There's not a rug here. Oh, you know what? I'm dumb. That's from the window outside. Comes in. Okay. Should we check under your crib?
Yeah.
Tag. I don't see. There's some darkness over here. Well, that's still this. Well, I think we pretty much got what the. Whoa! Alright. That is weird. I could have swore that, well, first of all, this light has been on the whole time. No lie. This is his Lightning McQueen. I don't even want to touch it right now. This is his Lightning McQueen nightlight, and could have swore about a minute ago it was all the color of the front end and the back end. Just one straight color. I am almost positive that the center glow was not here. So, that is very strange. That is very, very strange. Alright. Do you want to take the video, Jaden? What are you driving?
House.
You're driving your car? Let's see. Another light source, which would be energy. See? That's his light. Bam. That's the energy. That's usually what ghosts, energy looks like. Something like that. Alright. You ready to get out of here, Jaden?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get out of here. Alright. Case closed. I think we're pretty much Are you serious? Oh my god. Jaden, let's get out of here. Let's go. And we'll see you guys later. We'll do further investigating. I don't know. It's kind of creepy to me. Peace. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Why are you looking over there? Is Bubba over there?
Yeah.
Where?
I go back.
Under your bed?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.